If you do much brazing at all, you realize that you have to always leak check your joints. And a lot of times the back side of a joint will look like this, where you can't see where you're brazing. You can sure bet that this is a good possibility. So that's why leak checking things is important. A brush-on leak detector works great, especially where you don't feel like taking a swim in the spray-on type. You see this joint is leaking and would definitely cause a problem in the short run from the looks of it. A spray-on leak detector has its purposes, where you can say if you want to saturate the area to search for leaks. As you can see, this joint would be a problem soon after the install if you did not leak check your work.